our very old lady Precious. She's still coughing, not as much as before, but she's still coughing. She's on antibiotics. Her cancer is huge. Her cancer is huge. That's so sad. That's so sad. But she's eating very well. I hope that at least she will stop coughing. She's on antibiotics. I hope that she will stop coughing. She's not coughing as much as before, but she's still coughing, and I don't like this at all. Poor girl. But she's so strong. She's so strong. She's eating good. The animals need care. They are not toys. They are not things. Precious. But she's inside and nice and warm now. She was abandoned in a really bad condition. I'm very glad that she will spend the last, well, I don't know, days, weeks, hours, months, I hope years of her life with me. And she has friends here. Fevers also. He's so happy to be here, nice and warm inside. Some dogs, they are very sensitive in cold. Some other dogs, they are very sensitive in hot. The animals need care. They need care. They are not things to use them or to buy them or to take them for some time and throw them away. We have to be more responsible. Phoebus, he needs his blankets. If we didn't move him inside here, he would be in a huge problem. Phoebus. They are so nice and warm now here. Outside, I have hundreds of dogs outside. But those dogs who they are outside, they are really strong and they have fun. But some dogs, they need a lot of care. Hey Julia, what you say? Yeah? Julia is also so happy here. The party animals are outside and they are having fun. But it's so many dogs that they need special care. So when we have a dog or a cat or any kind of animal we have to take care of them. We have to understand that they need care. We can't just put them somewhere and leave them like that. We have to take care of them. If it's cold, if it's warm, if they are hungry, we have to give them their medicine, everything. People must stop to use animals as they are toys. People must stop to use animals like they are toys. Fivos. Precious. Ginger. Nikki. Mike. Mike has epileptic problems. Ginger has epileptic problems. Nikki, she has epileptic problems. Fivos, he has problem with his kidney and he has nearly no hair. Now his hair are growing up. And he was in a shocking condition. Precious, she has a cancer and she has cancers outside of her body, inside of her body. I hope this coughing will go away from her. Julia, she was nearly to lose her leg and we saved her paw without toes, we remove her toes. And so many other dogs we take care, we are taking care of here. I'm trying my best to help as many poor animals as I can, really. More than 11 years I'm doing it now. I thought that it was 10, and I was always say 10 years old, 10 years. It's more than 11 years I'm helping animals. I feel like I'm in war. Νιώθω σαν να είμαι σε πόλεμο και προσπαθώ να σώσω όσο πιο πολλές ζωές μπορώ. I feel like I'm in war and I'm trying to save as many lives as I can. It's crazy world. Johnny, I'm coming.